Hi everyone, Faba here representing Burn. I just came back from work right now. I haven't had my lunch, so I'm craving for something which is good and quick. And all I can think of right now with the things I have at home is my spaghetti with sausage and chicken. And let's get right in. First things first, we need to get our water boiling. As the water is boiling, I'm going to marinate my chicken, prep it up. This chicken, I have cleaned it and I've cut it into small pieces and I've frozen it in the fridge. So it looks like this. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of black pepper, and a small clove of garlic. The garlic needs to be minced nice and small. One small garlic is more than enough. Take your clean hands and mix it nicely. After done mixing, we'll keep it aside. As the water is boiling, we're going to prep our vegetables as well. First thing, we have a sausage. It gives a really nice flavor to the whole dish. Just chop it up nice and small like this. We're going to chop up some green onions. 2 cloves of garlic. Get it crushed. I have some herbs with me. It looks like this. We call it Awaphadivom in Manipur. It brings out the flavor of the meat and it complements the whole dish really nicely. I'm going to finely chop up this as well. Everything is nice and finely chopped. Let's get back to the boiling water. Water is boiling nicely. What I'm going to do is add in my spaghetti. The brand which I'm using is this De Keko. You can use Del Monte as well. Both of them almost have the identical nutrient. 70 grams of spaghetti. So what you want to do is rotate it. This is what I learned from Gordon Ramsay. Just put it in and let it cook for 7 minutes. We've got the spaghetti on the other side. Now we'll start preparing our chicken and the rest of the meat. Get a skillet on and fire it up. I'm again going to use mustard oil for this time as well. Tablespoon of oil is in. Spread it and make sure it gets heated up and warm up nicely. Now our pan is nice and hot. You can see the flames coming out. Now you want to avoid any sauce going into the pan because the sauce gets burned easily. If you want to put the sauce in, you have to be really careful as well. Okay. Now that the meat is in, we'll put the lid on. We'll leave there for 3 minutes and then we'll check it up again so that nothing is burnt. You want to reduce the flame a bit as well. This is our pasta. I don't have a spatula, so I'm just going to use my cleaver, and everything's looking good. The spaghetti is done. I'm just going to strain it down. After it's cooled down, we'll just keep it on the side, let it drain out. Now focus is back to our chicken. Now it's done basically. You can see that the sauce is almost burnt. Turn the chicken around like so. I've just flipped over the chicken. This is how it looks. This we're just going to add our sausages. In goes in our garlic. Next is our green onions. Next is the herbs. Toss it around. Lid it on again for another 1 or 2 minutes. The smell is insane, let me tell you. Now as it is getting cooked, we're just going to add some fish sauce. We're just going to stir it again. Let everything simmer down. The flavor is intense. Just look at this. This is what you're going to have. Looks amazing. Wow. Alright, now what we're going to do next is add in the pasta. Just straight right in. Just pour in a little bit of that pasta sauce. Sorry, the pasta water. Bring everything up. This is how it looks. Everything's nice. This is how it looks nice. Now to this I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning. A little bit of pasta seasoning. Some chili flakes. Toss it up again. Look at this, guys. Just look at this heaven. Now our pasta is done. I have some fresh greens here. These are sweet pea leaves. And then to this I'm just gonna pour in hot water. Trust me, just pour it and that's more than enough, because this thing will get overcooked really easily. As you can see, some of them are already brown. What you want is the dark green color over here. Let's plate this up. Look at that, just look at that beauty. Woo! I'm just gonna eat this now. The spices are really good. Try this sausage. I've really mastered the art of cooking chicken breast. I can guarantee you that. This spaghetti is made out of durum wheat, and if you can find whole wheat, I would definitely go for the whole wheat one, because the whole wheat one would have more fiber. And when it comes to carbs, I would always prefer a carb source which has more fiber than a carb source which has more trace proteins. Right amount of saltiness, right amount of everything. This is like masterpiece. Chicken and greens.